Hey friends, Arree Chung here, children's book author, illustrator, and creative entrepreneur. And don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that way you'll get notified for future videos. Okay, we drew cars a couple weeks ago. You guys remember what shape we used for the body?
A rectangle.
Yep, good job. So we're gonna use a rectangle. And since this is a race car, race cars have curves, right? They look fast. How do you think we can make this car look fast? Does anybody have an idea?
We can put a curve on top of it.
Yeah, a little bit of curve on top of it. That's a good idea. So maybe we can make a curve like this. So that makes it look faster. Okay. What's our second shape, our middle shape? Usually for cars.
The place where the driver sits.
Yeah, the place where the driver sits. So we usually draw a box, right? Something like that around here. The middle. Okay, so that's our middle shape. And what's our small shapes?
Alexis.
Wheels.
Yep. And what shape do we use?
Circle.
That's right.
Also, to make it look faster, you can tilt the wheel.
Yeah, that's a great idea. So if it's going fast, you can go like this, right? And you can add streaks like that. So let's do one of those race cars that doesn't have a roof. So you can try and draw a triangle here. A triangle here. And let's see if we can place our turtle inside our race car. So remember we drew the head as either a rectangle or a circle. So let's put our head right here. And let's put our eyes in there. And then we can put our shell. So just imagine the shell would go here. So that's like a box. And then to make this race car look like a race car, we should probably add some stripes and a number. Maybe we'll put number 3, since we have the number 3 in there. Okay, let's review. Let's draw some more race cars. But basically with a race car, you draw a box or a shape that looks fast. So some things that look fast are usually things that have angles. So you can use a triangle for a race car too. Something like a triangle. You can try these different kinds of shapes. And then race cars, sometimes they have those, they call them, I think they call them spoilers at the end. They look like wings. You can add that at the end. Makes it look fast. And then your middle shape is where the driver sits. So since we want to make it look fast, I like to use triangles because it makes it look faster versus rectangles. It's the same idea. You have the rectangle there, and then you put the triangle inside it. And then you add your wheels. You add your headlights too. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Leo said we should draw it like this. Yeah. Yep, that's good. You can design how you want. There's many different kinds, but that's a good one. I like that one. Kind of looks like airplanes, airplanes with wings. So.
Good job, Leo.
Now, if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button to help us grow the YouTube channel, and hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get notified for future videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.